Good morning, gentlemen. So I just put the boat tractor outside. Today it's the paint day, so you're going to see me painting my POL trailer. So stay along. Cheers. Hello, gentlemen. This primer is specially made for top coating galvanized metal and zinc coated steel. So I'm going to use it for the front and the back, and I'm going to pass it because I've been having that paint since at least 4 years, and it's still good. But I'm going to pass it. I'm going to paint everything because it's a great primer made by Tremclad. All right. So, but especially made for galvanized steel. Stay long. So this is the first coat of primer, and that will be the only one. I'm gonna let it dry for a while, and then I'm gonna put the official coat. All right. Cheers. All right, gentlemen. The primer is dry, so it's time to put the first coat of paint. So let's go at it. Alright, gentlemen, so this is the first coat. I will see tomorrow about it. Put the second coat, maybe not. So take care of yourself. Cheers. Good morning, gentlemen. So this is it. This is the final video about my project. The only thing remaining to do on my POL trailer is do a nice cleanup. I'm gonna vacuum the inside of the trailer, and then I'm gonna do some touch-up painting with black color. Since I weld, I've got a good excuse. Since I weld the main hitch, I need to paint it so it's not gonna corrode. And the same thing in the back. So that will be it. Later on this summer, I will order some decal to stick, saying it's no fume or no smoking allowed. You know, that those type of kind of signs, warning signs. But that should be it. And then it's gonna put it outside. The paint is not quite dry yet. But I'm very happy about the product. I mean, it's gonna be useful, like in the back, not only for the chainsaw, that little tailgate, but also, like I was saying to Joe yesterday, writing to him, sorry, it will be good also for the leaf blower, also for the gas trimmer, when I cut my grass and I blow the leaf. And also some light maintenance on the chainsaw outside. When I do clean it, I have to take it apart. That would be nice working outside. So that would be it. Alright guys, cheers. Alright gentlemen, so I did find my final touch-up, paint touch-up. So I'm gonna start to fill it up. The reason why I built it. So you're gonna see me putting the oil, recycling oil, bar oil and everything, gas and everything. So stay along. I need my gloves. Alright gentlemen, so I'm gonna show you inside. I tilt. So this is my various bar oil. I've got mixed oil in there. This is my mixed gas, hydraulic oil. The gas for the John Deere, it's a super octane, high octane. I've got my brushes and all my kit in that little bucket to clean the chainsaw for daily cleaning maintenance. The blue can is for all the recycling oil when the Eco Center will reopen, and that container will stay there. That's was always telling me this is the recycling oil. And in the back and on the side there, that's all my spare emergency fuel container. Alright, so like you say, almost empty. Well, I did empty. I forgot I have to do this is good. It's the oil, the synthetic oil for the backup for the generator, because the generator I have to change the oil every 24 hours. This I will put it directly into the generator. I've got a generator can holder for it. I just bought them, so I need to put it on there. Alright, so this is it guys. I don't know if you can see me, but it's verandah, it's all full, so it's telling you that yes, I really need it. So thank you for all the nice comments, and I will throw it outside, and that's how outside it's gonna be. No more safety, no fuel, danger oil inside my garage or on the land too, because I have to show you something. Before between my rover and my garage, I had that red trailer there. And this is all the empty container. This is going to be gone history. So it's all going to be nice and clean here. That's what the main purpose. So again, guys, gentlemen and ladies, bonjour mes amis, cheers. Alright gentlemen, so this is the resting station. So it's away from any source of danger if it got in flame. And like you can see, I chuck very well all the wheels with big rocks. And right now the paint is drying. So that's it. Alright, cheers. So this is nice and clean now between the garage. Alright, and all that stuff, this I'm going to cut it apart for recycling the metal. And this is all going to be at the recycling center. So nice and clean, that's why I like it. Cheers.